Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. It is a little after 6 a.m. in the morning. We're right near JFK, John F. Kennedy International Airport. We're at a building here. We're going to be swapping out a York 15-ton rooftop unit. Thing's been on order since September, and the day's finally arrived. It's now end of January, and we're going to put it in. The rigger's on the way. The guys are on the way. Electrician's on the way. We're going to disconnect the gas, disconnect the electric, pull the unit off the roof, drop the new one on, and give them some heat. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to. I traced out the line of power for that rooftop unit that we're changing out. So I turned off the power and then I locked it, right? So no one could turn the power back on. It's very, 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 very important. I cannot stress this enough that you must lock out power on a system that you're working on, especially a system with this magnitude. Residential, I could say, just everyone's aware, hey, listen, don't turn this on. But we're in a commercial building like this. You can't take any chances. Someone accidentally turns this on, there could be major, major serious consequences. All right, so let's go up to the roof and give them a hand. Good? Yeah. Here's one of the lockout keys. Okay. The panel is locked off. Power is off. I have the other one. Okay, most important rule, make sure the power is safe. We don't want some knucklehead turning the power on us. All right, we have to remove power here. We need a big ass flat screwdriver.
Okay, you don't have one?
Not big enough it's gonna handle that. You double check this, right?
Yep.
Oh, maybe we'll get lucky. This was the load. I mean the line, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. With the meter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We might as well disconnect the other ones and take the disconnect panel off this RTU. Chris, how you enjoying your second day? What time did you wake up this morning?
5 a.m.
5 a.m. Oh my God, we have to burn that hat, by the way.
Yeah.
5 a.m. I got up at 5:15. Walk the dog. 4:30? 5. This is called the economizer. When the outdoor temperature is sufficient, where it can pull in outdoor ambient air for comfort control, comfort cooling of the occupied space, the conditioned space. It opens up and pulls in air from outside, so saving electricity by not running compressors. Here's our two condensing sides of the system. These are the two condensing coils for the 3 circuits. All of our compressors are down there. Condenser fan 1, condenser fan 2. If you guys remember, we were actually inside here. We fixed a leak. I forgot what side it is. Oh my God, look how dirty this thing got. We just cleaned it. Wow. But this old York is coming out today. Disconnecting the gas. And the crane should be here in about 15 minutes. And we have great space. Let me show you guys. It's not so far away. Here's our contact. I got one truck blocking the driveway and a parking spot there so the crane can get in and out. Used to be a house there. They tore that down, but I don't think these dumpsters are going to be in the way. But so far, so good. All right, it is 7:04. There it is. It's a big mama. This is going to be a tight spot. But I think this guy can handle it. Let's see. Where there's a will, there's a way. Nice little maneuvering. That's an excellent rig master. We may want to move the ladder. Someone go down there and move the ladder. Man, that was skills.
Here it is.
All right, it is 7:14. We're going to, well, they're going to secure the old RTU to the rig and then hoist her away. Okay, here we go. You're what about it? Can I grab the round? New thermostat wire. Okay. There it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Look at all this union labor hanging out, doing nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Love this stuff, by the way. I would do this all day long. Gonna drop it right there. Down she is. You're in charge of the camera. Get some good shots.
All right.
It's a big girl they're moving around.
That panel, you're right. Got it? Boom down. Boom down. A couple of feet.
Okay, hold it, just the thermostat wire now? Stay right there? No, you stay right, no. No, this. Now, grab thermostat wire.
Hold on. A little bit more boom. Hold on.
Can you grab the line voltage? Okay. Let's put it down.
Good?
Yeah, we got the wire.
Cable down slow. Gotta help me push it in space. Real slow, real slow, real slow, just like that. Just like that. Hold that.
We're gonna have to try to push it.
Gotta come out a little bit.
Okay. Now this has got to get pushed this way a little bit.
Better? Yeah. Cable down slow. Cable down slow. Cable down slow. Alright, good. Cable down. Cable down.
That's what we fully enjoy.
Look, the flying pigeon, the flying rat is here to christen the unit. You're gonna take a dump on this unit, aren't you? You are, aren't you, Seagull? All right, so there it is. The condensate goes on this. Did that break off?
Yeah, the male adapter.
All right, we didn't have to get a new male adapter for that. Yep, so just take a little bit off each. We're using the Nipix wire strippers. There you go. Look at that, easy peasy. And we're gonna wire both stages of cooling and both stages of heating. And guys, make sure, if I haven't asked already, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. I'd really, really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 30,000 subscribers, which means we are 20,000 subscribers away from the most epic pool party on the face of the earth. It's gonna be epic. All right, we did our low voltage wiring. Now it's time to take a look at the line voltage wiring. And fortunately, the electrician just pulled in, but I'll show you what's going on in the ceiling. No bueno. All right, there's our thermostat, by the way. And right above this column, all right, is our RTU. And here's our BX, right? That is feeding line voltage, 3-phase. And you can see, there's that wire. There's this duct tape. And there's the leads going through the roof. No bueno, guys, no bueno. So I think there's enough play on this BX where it's gonna be a field day here. If there's enough play on this BX, I'm thinking maybe the electrician can run it right through the pitch pocket, which then goes through the collar on the rooftop. But outside of my realm, I'm gonna punch a hole with this press machine, right? It's a knockout tool.
Well, make it square with the machine.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, go ahead.
All right, go for it.
Hydraulic thing. Don't see this that often.
You next to me?
I got it. Thanks.
Okay, we'll do this one while the half inch is out.
Hook this thing up to one side, and it punches through steel with a little cutter.
Isn't that crazy?
I love that stuff. Every trade has its own little tool.
Right? What's yours?
Well, we got tons of refrigeration gauges. We have, what do we have? Special like this. Combustion analyzers, carbon monoxide monitors.
I like combustion analyzer.
I love combustion
That
analyzers.
sounds good. I don't know what it does, but I like it. I need me one.
Yeah, make sure you're burning good.
We have such a problem. I don't even know what it is.
But you need one.
It's so neat.
What size does that work up to?
I have up to 4-inch.
Wow. Oh, look at that. That is a nice kit. Yeah. These teeth just.
I mean, I've never worked with pipe more than 4-inch anyway.
Yeah.
Once more than 4, we just parallel it.
Yeah. So big stuff. Good stuff. Greenlee. Slug buster.
Nice.
Punch set.
All right,
So it's got 2.5-inch collar. Lock rings going on. The old disconnect.
Have a red with the red thing in there, whatever.
Okay. Not bad.
Don't let it hang, because that's
Right.
not so straight. Okay, throw the level on it.
Little torpedo. Make these guys YouTube stars. What do you think?
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Mark it out. And then secure with some more screws. All right. full disclosure, we've been on site since a little after 6 a.m. It's 11:24. Electricians have been putzing around for hours, but I have the key to this city and it's time to restore power. Okay. And put that off to the side. And power's
We're ready.
You want to store at the G to the R?
The thermostat is for fan on.
Okay.
Let's see rotation that goes in.
No power?
We have lights there. Maybe there's a time delay. I also have the alarm
I don't
bypass.
see any lights.
Right there.
I don't know what you're looking at.
Power. Fan. Fault.
Oh, that light.
Fault is flashing. Why is fault flashing?
Not my fault.
I know.
Well, it could be one fuse blew.
Here's the check. See if we have voltage there.
88 seconds for startup. 88. We already checked rotation.
Put the panel
This is
back
going that way.
Yeah, you can put it back on.
Where does it say that?
LED display. So cute.
Meanwhile,
Very cold out.
Yeah. It's 10 after 12.
yeah, we've been here for a minute.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 hours. Cheap, but see what that says, ladies and gentlemen? That says heating. That's right. That's right.
There's our blower.
Yeah. What do you think? Is that carbon monoxide warming you up?
Absolutely.
You need to get the combustion analyzer. Feels nice though.
Yeah, after 6 hours of standing out here,
It's good stuff.
I'll take some carbon monoxide.
Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. I thank you in advance for doing so. So please, thank you. You're welcome. Remember, sharing is caring. Share. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Notification bell. And thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. Even your criticism too. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Keeping it uncut, unedited, and raw. That's how I roll, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we had an issue of excessive supply temperature. And that's because we didn't remove this panel, that panel. It wasn't sucking in any air. Damn it. And neither was the supply panel removed. We have to remove that too. Now we got to remove some pipe from Bruce Plumbing Supply in Valley Stream for our next job. Hope you appreciated watching this. Be well.